Suman, dismal performance in the first test against England followed by some bizarre excuses. What do you say about India captain Mahendra Singh Dhoni? But before we get to that, we've got some news coming in. We have told your channel that Zaheer Khan will not be available for the second test at Trent Bridge and that Shanta Kumar and Sreesanth will be roped in as his replacement. Now, Zach had strained his hamstring during the first test on day one itself and is unlikely to be fit by Friday. That's when the second test gets underway at Trent Bridge.
He was much better. I won't say he was like 100% fit, but both the innings he really felt it. Especially after the first innings, he felt quite weak. That was one of the main reasons he didn't turn up on the field to do the fielding in the first half of the second innings. So he's much better right now, but of course not 100%.
Now, Harini Rana now joins us from London live. Harini, Sreesanth most likely to replace Zach. What's the latest that you've got?
Definitely changes are on the cards for Team India going into the second test at Trent Bridge. Zaheer Khan, for one, is not looking match fit. In fact, MS Dhoni played it safe that we're still not sure, but he mentioned in the post-match press conference after the Lord's defeat that there is no point risking an individual. So that, in fact, team sources also telling us that he's pretty much ruled out of the second test. So Team India will be looking at getting Sreesanth in. Now, that's going to be interesting because Trent Bridge is a kind of track that Sreesanth would love to exploit the conditions. And also getting three match fit bowlers, so that's very essential. You don't want your captain to come on to bowl, so that is something Team India is looking at. Changes on the cards. Yes, Zaheer Khan at this point of time is about 50% fit, but clearly in a couple of days time, if he practices at Trent Bridge, then he's going to be 70% fit. But keeping the series in mind, as MS Dhoni mentioned, there are 3 more test matches to go. Team India clearly not looking to risk Zaheer Khan, because even if he's about 80% fit for the match, they wouldn't want to risk him because there are another 2 big games awaiting Team India after the Trent Bridge test.
Right, fair call there, Harini. They don't want to risk Zaheer so early. They want to save him for the remaining 2 tests. God knows what's going to happen in Trent Bridge. But with Zach out, does that change the balance of the side? Do you see other changes that are expected given the fact that we don't have a left-arm spinner? Do you think Yuvraj might just make the cut? What are the team sources telling you?
Well, selection dilemma for Duncan Fletcher and of course MS Dhoni. What we know is that Team India was struggling to get their fully fit bowlers in, trying to get through the overs. One thing, of course, Zaheer Khan not being there, so Sreesanth comes into the picture. Sreesanth, the conditions are going to be conducive for him in Trent Bridge. Also, one of the afterthoughts that Dhoni and Duncan Fletcher could have is about Yuvraj Singh, because in the post-match press conference, Dhoni mentioned that probably we missed a guy like Yuvraj Singh who could probably come over and bowl a few overs. So that's something interesting. Yes, we know Suresh Raina has pretty much sealed his, he couldn't save the test, but he's clearly saved his place in the Indian team at the Lord's Test, playing the innings that he played. But it remains to be seen as to what exactly will Team India go with. But he has sources confirming that Zaheer Khan at this point of time is not in the consideration for the second test, and Sreesanth is the likely inclusion that's going to be taking place.
Well, Harini Rana, thanks for that.